Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP, just with another interesting problem we got in our workshop today regarding electrical failure. Okay, this particular car, a Mazda6, 2008 Mazda6, was presented to us with no blinkers, no central locking, no hazards and no boot latch release. So whole range of electrical problems not working. Checked all the fuses, they were fine. The customer did advise us that the left-hand front window had been left open, and again, right across Australia, the amount of rainfall we've had during this year, moisture, water ingress is a huge particular problem. In this particular case, we're able to locate the body control module, which is where all those functions are controlled by, and it's located underneath the glove box on the passenger side. So again, we were able to check those. There was some corrosion around some of the contacts, which we were able to clean up, but still wouldn't actually solve the problem. Speaking to Mazda, they were available, but they were told that would be a programmable item, and they were fairly expensive. So just to make sure that we were on the right track, we thought we'd source a second-hand one, pop it in, at least we might be able to get blinkers or something going to confirm that that's where the problem was. We were able to locate a good second-hand one. We've popped it in there, indicators, hazards, all that started to work again, same with central locking, etc. And wham bam, we started the car started as well. Everything functioned okay. So the fact that it didn't need to be programmed in the end, or the second hand we put in there had the right programming ready to go, but the second hand one, once it was fitted, was 100% and no drama. So picture of the actual body control module there is the one that was in there. That's the one that's on our case repair solution that we have on our website. And so again, location of those sorts of units, rain, moisture that we've had on this, especially on the east coast of Australia, the amount of rain we've had. Don't forget, water ingress can cause all sorts of problems in regards to electrical problems on a car. Don't forget, if you are a member, consult the repair solutions on a regular basis. There might be there that can help you out with an odd car you might have in your workshop. If you're not a member and you want to have access to all this information, go to tap.net.au and join up with the many other thousands of technicians sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.